4:45. So.
The gospel rescue mission you're saying is on fire?
Yes.
Okay, we're on the way. Thank you.
Attention, Company 2, Company 3, Engine 9, Engine 6, Battalion 1, Battalion 2, Operator 1, 622A. Report of fire showing from the building at Gospel Mission, 445 South San Joaquin. Repeating for Company 2, Company 3, Engine 9, Engine 6, Battalion 1, Battalion 2, Operator 1, District 622A. Report of fire from the building, 445 South San Joaquin at the Gospel Center. Respond on 1 TAC Channel 2 at 1749.
Engine 2 is en route.
Engine 2 en route.
Engine 6 en route.
Engine 6, Templar.
Engine 3 en route.
Engine 3, Templar.
Truck 3 is en route.
Truck 3, Templar.
Operator 1 route.
Operator 1, Templar.
Repeating for Company 2, Company 3, Engine 9, Engine 6, Battalion 1, Battalion 2, Operator 1.
With water. From the A side of a 2-story rescue gospel mission. Pulling the line, making entry. We got water right next to us. We need a second line.
10-4, Battalion 1, were you able to copy that?
Yeah, 10-4. We need PD expedited for traffic and crowd control, please.
10-4. So far, we have premise history that there's exposure problem in the backyard of the wooden warehouse next to PG&E pole with multiple electrical lines.
10-4, then let's get PD started.
10-4.
Press 2 on 3. We'll work on 442. Operator 1.
Operator 1, 10-4. Copy, track 2 on 2.
Truck 3, San Joaquin. Now, he doesn't do not change. If you get forced, he's door on San Joaquin Street. Hey, Truck 3, we're at your lane by a train. Airport. Okay, command, we've got water flowing on the A side. We're pulling a second line around back for access. Airport, looks like we got light smoke coming from the roof area. Engine 3 locked in, all assist with water supply.
Engine 3 assisting with water.
Command, Truck 2, best access is going to be the Charlie side. There's a roll-up open.
Import, Truck 2. Truck 2, I'm going to make you Division C. Command, Engine 3, we're positioned on the Charlie side. If you want us to pull a line back here. Import. Engine 9, Northern Command, block the street right there. Engine 9 on C. Copy the street.
Engine 9, 10-4.
Command, Engine 6. Do you want us on Sutter or San Joaquin? Come in to the north on San Joaquin. You guys can set up over here at Springfield. Division C, I'm going to give you Engine 9 also.
Command, Engine 3.
Engine 3, go ahead.
We pulled the line through the Charlie side up the ramp. We do not have any fire.
Engine 2, got access. It doesn't look like there's anything burning below. Let me know if, control 6 San Joaquin command. We got an ETA on PD.
Negative, we'll call back.
10-4. Break. Division C, let me know if Engine 3 needs water supply. Command, Engine 9, let's go ahead and start working towards that water supply for Engine 3. Command, Engine 9, we can lay out off Engine 9. Battalion 2, you're on it though. Sounds like most of the guys are on the C side, or the over there. We got that fire control on the A side. I got Truck 2, head lock. Division C leader.
We're inside of the hose line. We're trying to get to the C of this.
Battalion 2, San Joaquin Command. I'm going to put you in charge of Division C and then make Operator 1 by himself.
Battalion 2, Division C.
Division C, we have Engine 3, Engine 9, half the Truck 2, and entire Truck 3.
Division C, copy.
San Joaquin Command, your time 10 minutes. We're starting still.
10-4. 10 minutes, starting still.
Check over here. I don't know that it's coming along.
Watch it when you get down right here. Watch right there.
Touch your roof.
Touch your roof, man.
Hey, Chief, we can pass a little bit of smoke coming out. Not want to heat no fire. Get the hole near a few times.
Good news, 10-4.
It's over here. Yeah, it's stuck over there. It's over there in the corner. They're on it.
Truck pretty good.
We won't get into the fire. It's pretty much extinguished, and it's going to keep you confined to the first floor. Highway to 308 and 84.
Careful, I concur. The smoke's looking good. At least on the 85. Careful, I got additional. Control to yourself, keep connected, show the fire under control. You can hear the channel I'm on it.
Fire under control, 18 hours.
So they got a line down here? All right, we can pull ours out.
Your AOR.
Hey, Captain, they got a working fire over there on Union Street.
Well, we about 5:15 yesterday, which was Father's Day, Sunday, we suspect an arsonist broke a hole in these very thick glass 4x4 glass panes, the next pane down, which is boarded up, and threw an incendiary device in what is right here our free clothing outreach to the community, clothing and household goods. The fire was primarily contained to this room. However, we lost power to this building, which is a 2-story administration building. Our corporate offices are upstairs, and then on the other side of that wall is our payee service branch, which helps about 600 individuals. We're able to get our cold storage going today, which helps us feed about up to 500 people a day. So that is in this building. We have that circuit operating. So appreciate your prayers out there, and always we just are very thankful for the community that supports the rescue mission.
Let the King of my heart be the mountain where I run, the fountain I drink from. Oh, he is my song. Let the King of my heart be the shadow